guys, my name is David, and I'm here to talk about the Blade 230S when you're binding it to your Spektrum DX6 transmitter. Now, you may have experienced this problem just like I did, and maybe many other DX6 owners will possibly encounter as well, is that there's no way to get the helicopter to fly inverted because the safe mode disables you from letting it go fully blown inverted, even if you follow the manual to a T, programming normal, flight mode 1 and flight mode 2 on your flight mode switch over here. Okay, when you turn on your Spektrum DX6 transmitter, you want to hold down your select wheel. And then you're going to want to go to channel assign. Now you'll see you have channels 1 through 6, throttle, aileron, elevator, rudder, gear, and aux 1 for pitch. You go to next, and then you'll notice that channel 5 is actually programmed to the D switch. That's the switch that toggles your safe mode. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what this looks like on the helicopter. So I make sure everything's good to go. My transmitter's fully powered on. I'm going to come over here to the blade, and I'm going to power it up. I'm going to not touch it while it goes through its initialization mode. So now you see the swash plate moving in response to safe mode. So if I try to go full aileron left, safe mode brings it back. Try to go back, safe mode brings it back. Now if I pull the D switch down, safe mode's completely disabled, and it will stay in whatever orientation I want it to, as a 3D helicopter should. And if I turn it back on, even with the elevator or the elevator pulled all the way back and turn it on, it will automatically resume back to safe mode. The best part about this, even if you are in full-blown 3D mode, is that your panic switch still works, even if you've disabled safe mode using the D switch. So it's still able to work. There's safe mode on, brings the swash plate back to level. When I turn safe mode off, I can put the swash plate in any orientation it stays. That's how you test to make sure that that is the proper way for it to be. So now if I want to change that to the C switch, it's just like any other process. I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to turn off the helicopter first for safety. Go back down here to channel assign, or system setup. Yes, I'm going to disable all RF. I already shut the helicopter down. I'm going to go back down to channel assign, and I'm going to go back over to where it's D, and I want to change that to C, so that I use my C switch because it's a 2-position switch closer to the flight mode switch than the 3-position D switch over more towards the center of the transmitter. So now that I've set that, I go back to my main screen. All right, transmitter's up. Let me reconnect the helicopter. All right, now the swash plate's initializing. Now, as you can see, safe mode is still on. It's leveling the swash plate. I can turn it off with the C switch, and now it does whatever I want it to. I can fly full-blown 3D, etc. And the moment I pull that switch back on safe mode, it levels the swash plate for me. And also, again, if safe mode is off and I have a panic situation, I can still push the panic mode button, and it will still save me in an accident or a situation where I lose my orientation. Safe mode back on, swash plate levels itself, turn safe mode off. I'm in an orientation for 3D flight, and my bind button still operates my safe or my flight recovery mode to get me out of an inverted situation. All right, guys, I hope this helps anybody else who bought a 230S and tried binding it to their Spektrum DX6. And yeah, happy flights. Hope you don't crash as much as I do. Thank you.